We have successfully hatched another 10 chicks, guys, an additional to our chicken family. Well, supposedly there are 47 in total now, but then 8 chickens died because they got attacked by our newly transferred dog. We weren't able to introduce them well to the farm, so it was a lesson learned, but thank God it did not happen again. So here's our incubated chickens, guys. Look at them, they're so healthy. Some of them are fully grown, but none of them yet laid eggs. Hopefully this May, some will lay eggs already. It was a bit hard to grow crops since October last year due to the excessive rain here in our province. But we aren't giving up, and our organic garden is starting to bloom and become fruitful. We're praying for an abundant harvest this year. So right here we are harvesting coconuts and we're going to make copra. So here's how we dehydrate copra, guys. We cook it using its coconut husk. So here's our coconut. We are dehydrating it. We are so happy because copra price this year increased from 13 pesos per kilo to 50 pesos per kilo. This is actually good for our country because one of the common livelihood here is coconut farming. Good job, Rocco. Do you like it? Want more? Tara. Dito. Yes, you're right. We have so many dogs. And by the way, about Debu, he can go up and down the stairs already. If you remember how he looks, he was too skinny. We'll show you how he looked after he got sick. Debu! Up! Debu! Katindog, katindog. It was too painful for us seeing his situation, but we felt how Debu fought, so we did our best to help him. I had to carry him out so he can pee and poop. And what's harder was he had stitches in his stomach, so I had to cover his tummy so it won't get infected whenever he pees because it goes to his wounds. Are you standing already?
Pero sabi niya kasi, hindi pa kami nagkatrabaho. Nagkatrabaho naman yung
Debu cannot eat solid food as well. It seems that something was wrong with his nerves. He cannot swallow. I don't know why. So I had to blend his food and use syringe to feed him. By the way, I stopped giving him meds and treated him naturally by adding herbal plants to his diet. I mixed his food with moringa, turmeric, black pepper, papaya ripe or unripe, sweet potato and its leaves, then a portion of rice or oats, and then some protein-rich foods like liver, caramel meat, or pork meat. You may be wondering why I did not give him eggs or chicken meat. It's because he is allergic to poultry products. I don't recommend that you do the same. Always consult with the vet. It's just that I trust God's creation and I believe that there is power with nature which God has created. Plants or crops and food from animals were really a natural medicine. Truly, I believe that food is medicine. So far, Debu really recovered and I still mix his food with turmeric and black pepper, also papaya. The veterinarians who treated Debu did the best ever job in treating him. Debu has the best and biological father as well. Couldn't thank enough. And above all, I thank God for giving me another chance to be with Debu longer. So much with the drama. So now let's see Debu's progress. Dila.